All sorts of incidents can happen while you're away from your vehicle. From simple door dings in parking lots to hit-and-run accidents or even a smash-and-grab burglary, many dash cams feature time-lapse mode recording and parking surveillance modes. This allows you to remotely watch over your vehicle even when you can't be there physically.
Dash cams typically operate in unison with the vehicle's engine, shutting down when the engine shuts off. In other words, to use parking mode, your dash cam needs to be connected to a constant power source.
One option is to hardwire your dash cam to your vehicle's battery. What if you don't want to use a direct wire harness, or you don't want to risk any wear and tear on your vehicle battery? In this case, you can use a dedicated battery pack such as the Thinkware iVOLT BAB-50.
The iVOLT BAB-50 is the latest external battery pack that you can add to your dash cam setup. Dashcam external battery packs are exactly what they sound like. Battery packs that you can hook up your dash cam to for the power it needs for parking mode recording. The iVOLT BAB-50 is designed by Thinkware specifically for Thinkware Dash Cams. It is compatible with all the Thinkware models that we carry, from the FA200 to the latest U1000, with the exception of the M1, which does not offer any parking mode capabilities. As you can see, it is smaller than the best-selling SALINK Neo external battery pack by 1.5 inches and weighs a little over a pound less. Its compact size makes the iVOLT BAB-50 much easier to hide underneath the seat or inside a smaller vehicle.
The battery uses lithium iron phosphate cells. This type of battery cell are extremely popular in the automotive industry and can be found in many electric cars because the cells can cope with the temperature extremes experienced in vehicles. The lithium iron phosphate cells can also have a faster recharge time and can go through more charge cycles than traditional lithium-ion batteries, making them the environmental friendly choice. There are two ways you can charge your iVOLT BAB-50. You can hardwire it to your vehicle battery. The battery pack comes with all of the cables and fuse tabs you will need for this task. Hardwiring the iVOLT BAB-50 to your vehicle's battery is the preferred way because it allows the battery to recharge quicker. Unfortunately, the iVOLT BAB-50 does not come with a CLA adapter, so you'll need to purchase one separately. We recommend the SALINK Neo cigarette lighter adapter from our website.
The iVOLT BAB-50 is stated to provide a charge of 4,500 mAh, and with the 57.6 watt-hour capacity, it can power a single-channel dash cam for up to 28 hours or a dual-channel dash cam system for up to 16 hours. If you are looking for a bigger battery that can power your dash cam for a longer parking mode runtime, we do recommend the SALINK Neo. It is a bigger 6,000 mAh, 76.8 watt-hour battery, and can power a single-channel dash cam for over 45 hours and a dual-channel dash cam system for over 25 hours on a quick 45-minute rapid hardwired charge.
Parking mode is one of the most important features offered by most of the dash cams on the market. Parking mode is a loosely used term for when the dash cam remains powered on inside of a vehicle that's parked and powered down. In other words, your dash cam becomes their surveillance system when you are not operating your vehicle.
When you have powered down your vehicle, the dash cam will enter a different mode of recording. Instead of constantly recording video files, the dash cam goes into standby mode and is on alert for motion or impact. When motion or impact is detected, then your dash cam will spring into action, record and save the footage file onto the memory card. In order to use parking mode features, the dash cam needs to be connected to a constant power source, and this is where the external battery pack comes into play. Yes, technically you could hardwire your Thinkware dash cam to your vehicle's battery and directly draw power from the vehicle battery for parking surveillance, but doing so will put unnecessary stress on the vehicle battery. Plus, many vehicles are equipped with low voltage protection that will cut off voltage if a battery discharge is detected. It is not uncommon to see cutoff in as little as 2 to 3 hours, but the average is 6 to 8 hours. By using an external battery, your dash cam will draw power from it and your vehicle battery will not be affected. This ensures a longer power supply, which ultimately means a longer and more stable performance of the dash cam. In the ideal setup, you will have your dash cam connected to the iVOLT BAB-50 and have that hardwired to your vehicle battery. This way, when the engine is on, it will power the dash cam for normal driving recording and at the same time charge the iVOLT. When the engine is off, the iVOLT will automatically stop charging and supply power for parking mode recording.
If you are in the market for an external power supply for your Thinkware Dash Cam, look no further as the iVOLT BAB-50 is definitely an excellent choice we recommend, especially for smaller vehicles as the battery comes in a much smaller form factor.